First example, a soil has a liquid limit of 25% and flow index of 12.5%. If the plastic limit is 15%, determine the plasticity index and toughness index of the soil. If the water content of the soil in its natural condition in the field is 20%, find the liquidity index and relative consistency. So what information is given? Here, liquid limit of the soil is given 25%. Its flow index is obtained after its test, which is 12.5%. Plastic limit is 15%. We want to find out plasticity index, that is IP, toughness index, that is IT. At the same time, its natural water content is given, with the help of which we need to find out its liquidity index and relative consistency, that is consistency index. Let us write down data. Here data is liquid limit of the soil, that is WL 25%. Thereafter flow index IF, which is 12.5%. Plastic limit WP, which is 15%. Its natural moisture content, that is small w, which is 20%. In this way, the information is given. What we want to find out? We want to find out plasticity index IP, thereafter toughness index IT, liquidity index IL, and relative consistency, that is consistency index IC. Let us start with the solution. The first thing which we want to find out is plasticity index. It is given by IP equal to WL minus WP, where WL is 25% and WP is 15%. Thus, IP is equal to 10%. This is our answer number 1. Now we will find out next term, that is toughness index. It is given by IT is equal to IP divided by IF, where IP is plasticity index and IF is flow index. That is equal to 10 divided by 12.5. Thus IT is equal to 0.80. This is answer number 2. Next is liquidity index. Which is given by IL equal to W minus WP divided by IP, where W is natural moisture content, WP is plastic limit, and IP is plasticity index. Thus IL equals to 20 minus 15 divided by IP, that is 10. IL equals to 5 divided by 10, that is 0.50. This is answer number 3. If IL is 0.50, from the chart we can say the soil type is medium soft to soft type of soil. The next we will find out consistency index. IC is equal to WL minus W divided by IP, where WL is liquid limit, W is natural moisture content, and IP is plasticity index. IC thus equals to 25 minus 20 divided by 10. Thus IC is equal to 5 by 10, that is 0.50. This is answer number 4. Let us write down summary of our solution. Thus solution can be summarized as plasticity index equal to 10%, toughness index equal to 0.80, liquidity index as 0.50, and consistency index as 0.50. Thus from the liquidity index and consistency index we can say the soil type is medium soft to soft type of soil. This is the solution.